The GOOZEEZOO JPC-12 HF antenna covers 8 amateur bands from high frequency through very high frequency, giving portable operators impressive flexibility in a single compact vertical. Its sliding tuning mechanism and refined coil contact make standing wave adjustments quick, repeatable, and far less finicky than older screw-based designs. On air, the antenna delivers a pleasantly low standing wave ratio and solid efficiency, so both transmitting and receiving feel confident even without a separate tuner. The segmented mast, ground hardware, and inductive coil break down into a small carry bag, making it easy to hike with or stash in a vehicle for field operations. One person can have the system in the air within a few minutes, which is ideal for rapid park activations, temporary balcony setups, or quick business trip deployments. Construction with aluminum, stainless steel, and corrosion-resistant components inspires confidence that the antenna will hold up well to repeated outdoor use.